afternoon, children. How are you? I hope you are all safe at home. Okay, let us start our first lesson. What is our first lesson name? Ali and the Innkeeper. What is our first lesson name? Ali and the Innkeeper. Ali was a beggar. Who was Ali? Beggar. Innkeeper is nothing but the owner of the hotel. Inn means hotel. Okay? Let us go to the lesson. It was a cold winter's day. As always, Ali was dreaming of a hot meal. In a winter season, we would always like to have our things very hot. Food items, yes or no? Yes. Now, Ali thought to himself, okay, what is the he thought? If there is a hot meal, I wish I could be so good. Okay. Someone, here please, take this. Bless you, ma'am. Here someone gave him the bread. What is Ali thinking? If I could have a bowl of soup, then I would have a full meal. He got only a bread. Then he is thinking, if I could have a soup, then my stomach will be finished. Yes. Ali went to the nearest inn. Inn means I have already told the hotel. Okay, children? Yes. The innkeeper was rude. Rude in the sense he was very rude. Shoo, no beggars. Move along quickly. What has the innkeeper said? No beggars. Get out. He is saying to no beggars are allowed to the hotel. Okay. Ali's stomach growled with hunger. Ali's stomach was so hungry. Okay. What he is doing? I will hold this loaf over the steam. Maybe the flavor of this delicious soup will soak to the bread. He is already having the bread. He could take this bread to the steam and the delicious flavor will stuck to the bread. He is thinking, okay? Turn the page. The innkeeper hauled in anger. He was very angry. Who? Innkeeper was very angry. You soup stealer, you thief. You are stealing the soup. The innkeeper said. The Ali replied, Sir, no, I am not the thief. I was only trying to capture the flavor from the steam. What does the Ali reply? No, sir, I am not the thief. I want only the flavor. I was only capturing in the sense taking. Okay, children, when your mom is cooking in the kitchen very delicious, you will take the smell, no? Like that only. The cunning innkeeper suddenly had an idea. Cunning in the sense dishonest. Okay? He got an idea. Who? Innkeeper. You need to pay for the smell of my soup. See how much greedy he is. He is saying to Ali, you should pay the amount. Because why? You taken the smell of my soup. But sir, I have no money. Ali replied. Ali is a beggar. No, he doesn't have any money. Okay? Angered by Ali's reply. Innkeeper was angry. What rubbish are you talking? You gave me this reply. He is saying that. The innkeeper dragged him to the court. The innkeeper dragged the Ali, the beggar, to the court. You know, children, you know the court? Okay. Nasiruddin Hoja was the judge. Nasiruddin Hoja was the judge. Means he is the king to that court. Okay, children? He listened patiently to the innkeeper's complaint. He is listening quietly to the what that Ali is saying. Okay? Are you demanding the payment for smell of your soup? The king asked. After listening everything of Ali's, the king questioned, are you demanding the smell of your soup? The innkeeper said, yes, I want some money. Nasiruddin Hoja, the king, took out a bag of coins and gave it a good shake. What does the king do? He took out a bag which is full of coins and he done the shake. He shake the coins. Everyone could hear the clinking of coins. In the court there will be so many persons, so everyone is hearing the coins sound. If we shake the coins, we will get sound, no? Yes. The king replied, alright, here is your payment, the sound of these coins in exchange for the smell of your soup. Now court is dismissed. What the king said, see, you said no, the sound of these coins exchange is a smell of your soup. The innkeeper said, no, you should pay the amount for smelling of my soup. The king said, here is your payment by shaking the coins. Now the court has dismissed.